Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C: and hit enter. Now type cd space C: and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space C: and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space C: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space C: and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C: and hit enter. Type attrib C: /boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved.
and you're good to go.